What does the entrance of your home say about you? Is it just the hallway? Transform that blank wall into a masterpiece. Meet the AuraHome Botanical LED Wall Lamp. It's not just a light. It's a modern, glowing, three-dimensional painting for your space. It beautifully blends energy-efficient LED warmth with the calming touch of real green plants. Watch your dark corridors instantly turn into a high-end, luxury gallery space. Crafted with premium textures, a sleek wooden shelf, and a touch of minimalist charm. No complicated wiring. Just an easy, elegant upgrade for your living room or entrance. It creates a natural, welcoming atmosphere that makes coming home the best part of your day. Design your personal sanctuary. Bring light, art, and nature together in one stunning piece. Upgrade your aesthetic today. Search AuraHome Vision and subscribe for more modern living.